Hi, I'm Ken, and this is Marina. We are a couple who love doing activities and traveling. Today, we ride to Vale of Avoca. We haven't ridden our cruiser bikes in a while, so we take a quick ride to our nearby lookout, which we were very surprised with our journey there. It's absolutely crazy. Here we go, come and join us! As you can see from the map, we rode our bikes from Kellyville to Windsor to North Richmond and then passing by Grose Vale. Well, we actually passed by a sushi place first for lunch as we were so hungry, and then we refueled at Costco. From Costco and beyond, we enjoyed our ride. Check out that Diavel S. Listen to that Terminioni titanium exhaust. It is currently an urban boat, which is police powered. Oh man, every rider enjoys stopping at the stoplight with other riders. No launching, no launch control, a simple yet pleasant pull towards the limit. We take a quick stop to test our drone. Bummer, as we have not used the drone in quite a while, it would not do any obstacle avoidance. So I had to pilot this drone by view and by looking at it. There were quite a few power lines, which I had to be very careful of. As you'll see in this clip, the power lines are just there, and in the camera it was very hard to see, especially from being quite far.
Can you see me?
I was happy with the videos that we had taken using the drone. Unfortunately, active track wasn't working, so I couldn't get it to follow Marina and I had to do it manually. I wish it would have followed us all the way down to the dirt road. With our ride to Vale of Avoca at Grose Vale. I love the rumble of our bikes. I own a Suzuki M109R 1800cc beast, all stock at the moment. We're going on a dirt road. There's Scenic right there. We're going to a lookout right here. Check it out. This was a massive mistake. We had no idea that the trail would be like this and very bumpy. My bike, on the other hand, was quite comfortable to ride. As for Marina's bike, I will definitely state that I will never bring her cruiser bike on a dirt road like this at all. Tires, but it's an experience. This place is an experience. Right, I'm walking down to Scenic because there she is. She thought she was going too slow. She's on her tippy toes at the moment, so I'll walk a bit faster. This is nuts. It's so funny, and it is an experience. It's something that we'll remember forever. The camera does not do this justice. It is a steep hill and not meant for cruiser bikes nor sports bikes at all. was at 22 kilometers an hour, and it was a challenge to balance the speed, clutch, ride quality, and not stalling. Definitely not doing this again. We sent the drone up to have a look at the surrounding area. We were quite surprised with what we have seen and did not expect the views at all. Right there in that area is where we take photos of the valley. I now know why this is a serene place to be. For those thinking about coming here, I do recommend it. There are quite a lot of hiking trails to run and walk too. People come here for picnics and immerse themselves in nature. I highly recommend it. Please do come here. Before going home, we take photos to keep as memories. Couples photos, singles photos, and bike photos. Alright, check it out! The drone's coming back home! I wonder where the drone could be. So there's a drone just above us. And you can hear it. There it is. Pretty cool. Okay. Landing. Finished the day and time to go home. As you can see in this clip, I activated the active track to make the drone follow Merina while riding. This is all done automatically. The drone is doing very well avoiding the trees. Unfortunately, it could not detect the thin branches and it hit it really hard. The rear brakes here, you can see in this short clip, Merina's just bouncing everywhere. Her rear tire, bumpity bump bump bump. As for mine, it was nice and smooth and very comfortable. Oh man, look at it in front of the drone, the trees, the leaves. It's so close to hitting the leaves, but lucky, it just made it through. So yeah, this is something like what not to do with a cruiser bike. Well, this big because I did it with my other Yamaha. But I can see the drone's actually doing good. It's going through the accident avoidance really well. Alright, so here we are. We're about to see the exact moment the drone will hit the branch. Check it out, it's so sad. And there you go. It's really hard. Man, that's so bad. And this sucks, it just happened just now. It was doing so well avoiding all the trees right here. I tried to get it to go lower, but it didn't want to go any lower. It was doing it automatically. And then look, bummer. It couldn't detect the small tree branches with its camera, and look what happened to the gimbal camera. It's reversed. So I'll see what I can do. Else lucky it's insured, so we'll have to get this one repaired. But yeah, that's bad news. So I'll be putting this away again. Thanks, DJ, it's been good. It hit that one. So it was flying through all the way over there. And then bang, because it couldn't see the leaves. In these clips here, we make our way home. We've had such a wonderful time together, a wonderful day, and we're so grateful that we're able to learn how to ride bigger bikes, because in the beginning, we practiced riding in small bikes, and now our full license, we've got these big bikes that we can ride comfortably, go further, and have a lot of fun. We finally made it home. So any one of you is watching, hopefully one day we can all go for a ride together, and I can't wait to change my exhaust just like Marina's. Thanks for watching. Bye.